Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to change your pose on Snapchat. Let's walk through the steps together. Begin by opening the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once the app is open, locate and tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on your profile background to access the customization options. Within this menu, select Pose and Background to further customize your profile. Navigate to the Poses section and choose a new pose that suits your style and mood. Feel free to explore different poses to find the perfect one for your Snapchat profile. After selecting your desired pose, tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen to apply the changes and save your new pose setting. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your pose on Snapchat, adding a personal touch to your profile and expressing yourself creatively through your snaps. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial. Elevate your Snapchat experience by changing your pose and showcasing your unique personality through your profile. Have fun experimenting with different poses and making your Snapchat profile truly your own.